In previous videos in this AZ-900 course, I went ahead and showed you how to create a conditional access policy for zero trust. Microsoft also wants you to understand the concepts of zero trust. Zero trust is a security framework, and it assumes no implicit trust. Instead, it requires explicit verification for every user, device, and application attempting to access resources. Implicit trust basically means that it would trust you automatically without any type of verification, and there's none of that with zero trust. Explicit verification means you need to put in a username, a password, multi-factor authentication, or whatever else is required. Then there's verify explicitly. Don't trust anyone or anything by default. Always authenticate and authorize based on all available data points, including the identity, the device health that you're logging in from, location, and potential anomalies that could come up. Least privilege access is the way to go, where it grants users only using the permissions they need to perform their tasks for a limited time. This is known as just-in-time. You can grant users, or even junior administrators, the ability to perform specific tasks as long as it's done within the time frame that you allow, and with the minimal amount of rights. You need to assume that you've already been hacked in a zero-trust network. You operate with that understanding that attackers are already present on your network. So we need to segment access. That means to minimize the blast radius. Segmenting access will limit the potential damage from a compromise. So this means to separate resources from users and groups physically or logically from each other to minimize damage. Then you need to use encryption, end-to-end encryption, securing communications and data at every stage. Finally, we need to implement continuous monitoring, to use analytics and automation to gain visibility, detect any threats that are coming, and respond quickly. If you're not prepared for a disaster, then when that disaster hits, it will be so much worse than if you had properly prepared for it. Least privilege believes the worst possible thing has already begun. So just because you're paranoid doesn't mean they aren't out to get you. This is a big part of your AZ-900 knowledge.